I once gave a lecture in Japan where I was asked not to mention the end of the universe in case it affected the Japanese stock market. Well, I don't know if
or when the universe will end, but for those of you who are nervous about your investments, I think it's a bit early to sell.
At 13.7 billion years old, our universe is still in its youth. The earliest date we cosmologists think it could end is 30 billion years from now. There's still plenty of action to come. Even long after our sun has died, new stars will be born, some of which will have new planets around them, made of the same atoms that make you and me. Maybe we'll end up as part of some future alien ecosystem, although that's probably a bit of a long shot. What's true is that we are only the temporary custodians of the particles which we are made of. They will go on to lead a future existence in the enormous universe that made them. Certainly, gravity will continue its tireless, incessant work. It will go on shaping the vast strings of galaxies as it has ever since the Big Bang. Using supercomputers, we can simulate how gravity, even now, causes galaxies to be attracted to one another, resulting in vast, slow collisions. Our galaxy will merge with its nearest neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy, in around 3 billion years. A slow-motion collision that will take place over 2 billion years. The same process is happening all over the cosmos. Entire clusters of galaxies are constantly colliding and reforming. Giant collisions as trillions of stars pull on one another, their vast masses causing them to spin and dance. Gravity is driving the cosmic clockwork as it has done ever since the Big Bang. This is what the universe looks like when we are released from time on a human scale. But will this cosmic whirlpool go on forever? As an endless maelstrom of mass and energy, space and time. Extraordinary question to even be able to ask. I think the solution lies back where we began, with the Big Bang. Ask yourself this. What caused the expansion or inflation of the universe in the first place? When we can answer that and fully understand the Big Bang, we will also learn the fate of the universe. The key to it all is something called dark energy, a mysterious form of energy that pushes space itself apart, even as gravity is making matter clump together. It seems as if dark energy supplied the kick that inflated the universe, although we're not quite sure how. What is certain is that the fate of the universe depends on how this dark energy behaves. If the dark energy slowly weakens, then gravity could get the upper hand. And in 20 billion years or so, the universe would go into reverse and drive everything back to whence it came. In a strange reversal of the Big Bang, space itself would contract. This theory is known as the Big Crunch. In the end, if the theory is right, in 30 billion years from now, all the matter of the universe would be swallowed by a single black hole. The entire universe would exist as one tiny point, much as it was at the instant of the Big Bang. But although that's a neat ending, I think that it's more likely that dark energy will drive the expansion of the universe forever, and that ultimately everything will just keep spreading out until the universe is cold and dark. Everything will become so far apart that even gravity will be defeated. I think a big chill is what we've got in store, not a big crunch.
So will this be the end of us and life as we know it? Or will we have figured out how to navigate to a new universe before then? I think we'll only know when we truly understand when the universe exists at all. Perhaps then, when we finally unravel the whole cosmic puzzle, we will become masters, not just of our universe, but the universe next door.